In this video, we'll look at how to download and install Ngrok, and this is going to be done on an Ubuntu machine. Now, Ngrok is an application that allows developers or any individual to expose their local web servers to the internet without needing a public IP address or without needing a domain name. Now, we'll need to download the Ngrok application. So open your browser and then search for Ngrok download, and then go to the ngrok.com website. Now, once you get to the website, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, and you'll need to provide a valid email address because you'll need to verify your email address. Ngrok will send you a link in that email that you'll have to click to verify the email before you can access most of their products on the site. So once you have your access, you can come back in and log in. So I'm already logged in, and once you're logged in, on the left here under getting started and then under setup and installation, you see there is a download for Linux. So click on that, and that should download the file for us. Once the download is complete, you'll need to unzip it. So this is a compressed file. So you'll need to go to your, I'm going to the terminal, I'll cd to the downloads folder, do ls, and this is the file right here. It's a .tgz file. So the command that we'll need to unzip it is the following. You'll have to use sudo tar xvzf, then the file name ngrok. And now if we list the files again, this is what we get. So this is what we'll run to set up or to enable the Ngrok application. The other thing you'll need before you can actually start using Ngrok is a token for authenticating, and that one you'll get it from the Ngrok site. So you go back to the browser, and when you're logged in, on the left you see there's an option for your token, and this is the token right here. You can copy it, and now let's set up the token. And the command for setting the token is gonna be ./ngrok auth token. Then you paste the token here. Then you get the message saying auth token saved to configuration file. So which is gonna be .yaml. Now that we have the authentication token configured, we can now run a command that will start a tunnel to the local web server. Now the command for doing that is going to be ./ngrok http, and this is port 80. That's where the web server is listening on. Press enter, and now it has a forwarding link here, and this is a link that we can use from anywhere on the internet to connect back to this web server. Now I'll copy this link. Copy. I'm gonna open a browser from a different computer, and then we'll try and see if we can access this web server from that computer. So here's a browser from a different computer. I'm gonna go ahead and paste that link that we copied right here. Then I'm gonna press enter. And then here I'm gonna click on visit site. And as you can see, we're able to access the Apache 2 web server that's being hosted on the Ubuntu machine. So that's it for this video. That's how we use Ngrok on Ubuntu to access our web server from the internet. I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.